And please turn her vocal down in my ears.
If you wanna see the man who broke my heart, you can tell him by the eyes that pierce the dark. You can tell him by the laugh that fills the room. You can tell him by the arms that feel like home. Tried to tell him he's the only one I want. Tried to tell him he's the sun that brings the dawn when I'm dreaming. And now he's telling me he's leaving. If you wanna see the girl who took my place, you can tell her by the smile that's on her face. You can tell her by the way they're dancing slow that he loves her and that she knows. I could tell her that it probably won't last. Be as jealous of her future as my past, but there's no healing when he's telling me he's tell you that I'm trying to move on. I could tell you that I need a change of scenery, but really I don't wanna see the man who broke my heart. I don't wanna see those eyes that pierce the dark. I've turned a corner and it's there again, and baby, I'm still reeling. I don't wanna see the new girl in his life. I don't wanna see the friends who pick their sides. I don't wanna come face to face. Tell him